Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make Google your default search engine in any browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome. So I will show you the perfect process. So first let me show you in Microsoft Edge. So here we have in the Microsoft Edge, just open the tab and here go to the three dot option, and now we need to click on the setting options. Now here go to the privacy search and service. Under here just come in bottom and click on this option, search and connection experience. Okay, so you will see these options like, so come to the search and connection experience. Okay, and go to the advanced bar and search. Here we need to select that search engine used in address bar. Make sure it is Google only if you want to make Google. And this option, sorry, and this option search engine, make sure this Google is highlighted. Okay, so it is default now. Now if I come to the search bar and search anything, this is search through Google only. Okay, now let me show in Chrome. Okay guys, so here I am on my Chrome. So first go to the three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting we need to go in the search engine. Here we need to change search engine Google only, set as a default. Okay, and make sure it is Google by default. And whatever you search in that address bar, it is search only Google. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.